bonus video here. That is an IBM Pro printer, and this is the ribbon for it. Now, I bought that thing thinking that it used Epson MX80 ribbons, and it does not. The knob is on the other side for that, which is important because that's also the drive gear for advancing the ribbon. Now, I put a little bit of isopropanol on the ribbon while it was actually printing, and it revived it a little bit, but that actually has text printed on it elsewise. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna try cracking this open and seeing if I can just quickly revitalize this thing and what this might look like. I've never tried this before, so I have no idea how this might go or how I may ruin this. So I'm a little curious about this. So yeah, right there it seems like they melted the plastic down to join it permanently. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that because, man, this ribbon's basically dead to me either way. Okay, that still works. That has released. There we go. Okay. That's all the ribbon. Okay. So here's my extremely stupid thought. I advise against this tremendously, but this is a bottle of 91% isopropanol, and this is a spray nozzle. Now, I have these bottles that I bought for cleaning chemicals, and one day for giggles, I took off the cap of this bottle of isopropanol, and I stuffed this on top of it, and tightened it, and lo and behold, it actually seals pretty well. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to spritz isopropanol all inside this ribbon, and I'm going to see if that gets me anything. I have no idea. I'm going to focus mostly on that side, because that's the side I really need right now, but yeah, there we go. Where is... I want this a little wider. Sure, yeah, okay. So I don't really want to, like, soak it, but if I could get it to redistribute throughout, that would be real swell. This feels dumb. Alright, well, there's that. I'm gonna put the top back on there. I wonder how far down that got. I mean, I can't pull this out because it will just absolutely get annihilated. I'm just gonna one good squirt there on that side. Oh, I can just smell that stuff so much. That is awful. This feels like all the bad ideas. Okay. I'm gonna pull the printer over here now. You can see where I rubbed on a little bit of isopropanol on the ribbon. I used a Q-tip kind of placed towards the front up there. So it might actually do something here. But I don't know. So there's my wet ribbon. Alright. Feed this in. Is sort of gripping on that side now. Some doesn't feel right. Yeah, I think it may not have liked being taken apart. Actually, pressure right there feels really important. Yeah, if I pinch that, then it works. This is my soldering iron. Okay, that's reattached. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go feed it a bunch of data. That actually worked? What? It's a little unpredictable, but alright, so there's clearly going to be a balance of how much you wet it. Yeah, though, that's actually working. That's amazing. Well, there's one dumb way you can get a printer ribbon to work.